Keep decorating.
Okay. Interrupting my decorating.
Sorry. Hi guys, I'm Arleo and welcome to the Kitchen Drink, where we're raiding your fridges and making some delicious crafty cocktails. Today I'm here with Aubrey.
Hi!
She is decorating a tree right now.
I am.
Last time I was here with Aubrey, she was with Olivia, and we had some delicious drinks.
Yes, those are so good.
We didn't really get a chance to check in with Aubrey last time. Why don't you tell us a little bit about yourself, what you like to do, what you like to drink?
I am from Kansas and I live in Los Angeles and I do whatever will pay. I like to drink everything.
Oh, okay, that's not what I thought you was going to say. I thought you were going to stop at everything. Or I like to drink.
Oh, I do like to drink, yes. I like to drink a lot of things. I really like sweet drinks. I also kind of like strong drinks. I'll drink some like straight up whiskey.
The spirit forward drink from last time.
Yes,
Good.
that one was actually really good. It's not lying for the camera. I kind of like savory drinks, but I don't like spicy. No.
Did Olivia tell you what was in her drink last time?
No.
I'm assuming you don't want sriracha in your drink today.
That's what I have to say to that. No.
So it is the holiday season. I'm going to try to make a drink for Aubrey.
We're going back to the holidays.
So, I'm going to try to make a holiday drink for Aubrey. I've made a lot of drinks for her, but we'll see if I can still surprise her.
Cool. Got a lot of work to do. It's the holiday season.
So we're back in this fridge that has maybe a little bit too much ranch, maybe not enough. Since there's still no fresh citrus, I'm gonna go ahead and use some apple cider vinegar, maybe use these apricot preserves, hop into the pantry and grab the stevia, and we'll see why in a few minutes. There is a lot of cinnamon, so since it's the holidays, might as well use that cinnamon, right? Very appropriate. Normally, I would make a cinnamon simple syrup by steeping the cinnamon sticks with the sugar and water, but since I'm trying to do this quickly and really only have the powder, I'm just gonna mix the powders with some water, give that a taste to make sure it tastes alright, add a little apple cider vinegar to that, and mix that with some vanilla extract and rye. Give it a quick shake, screw up garnishing the straw a little bit because cinnamon is kind of fragile, and it's a pretty simple drink. Tastes alright to me, let's see if Aubrey likes it.
Oh, hey!
Okay. I'm not sure about this one.
Why?
I tasted it.
Well, it looks pretty.
Yeah.
What is this thing? Like a tree branch.
I was just trying to make a whole tree in the drink.
Pine realness.
Yeah.
Well, here goes nothing. Ooh. That's really good, actually.
Every time.
It's got like a lot of different tastes going on, but definitely cinnamon.
What a surprise. I couldn't tell with the garnish in there.
Oh yeah. Oh, that's what cinnamon looks like when it's before it's the powder. Maybe apple? It's like apple cinnamon kind of? Whiskey? Are you not allowed to say yes or no?
Not quite yet.
It's like a lot of spicy.
Spices.
Okay, that's all I got.
So
I don't
you're
know.
ready?
It's good. I like it.
Cool.
I don't want to stop drinking.
We'll start with what's obvious. Whiskey.
Yes.
She said she was okay with straight whiskey, but that's not
Wait,
just
which
straight
one is
whiskey.
this one? We've had that for so long.
I know, I'm surprised it's not gone already.
Yeah.
Obviously there was cinnamon. It's right there on the...
Yeah.
Oh, I don't
The
know.
tree bark?
Yeah. You are diabetic.
Yes.
I've known this for
I am.
as long as I've known you.
Yes. Type 1 diabetes.
We have stevia.
Stevia! Yay!
I made simple syrup using the stevia rather than regular sugar, so she can drink as much of that as she
I
wants.
can enjoy all of this.
Yeah, instead of
Guilt-free. And I didn't take insulin before this, so we're good.
In lieu of bitters, I used a little bit of vanilla extract.
Ooh, that's what makes it taste Christmassy.
Yes. I only used a couple of drops. It is alcoholic. That's how they make it. I believe this is pure vanilla, so it's even better. We'll pretend it is. Last time I made a drink for you, one of them was a sour base with lemon and simple syrup. I used a different acid in there. Can you take a guess what it is? You were kind of somewhere on the track with apple.
I don't know.
It's apple cider vinegar!
Oh! I didn't know I would ever drink that in my life and enjoy it.
One thing that you can use vinegar for is making something called a shrub. Usually it's with fruit, helps preserve the fruit flavor, also adds a little, acidity. In this case, I added it to a quick-made cinnamon syrup. And I drank a lot of that really fast.
It's actually really good.
So that's Aubrey's Christmas kitchen drink, where we put in everything but the kitchen sink. Remember to drink responsibly, guys. Happy holidays.
Happy holidays.
Bye. That's not one of those freeze frame things.
Why can't it be?
I know. All right, one more
Or
time.
this one. Freeze frame right
Yeah.
there.